Hello guys. This is Oddbjørn Dahl from Norway. Now I am in Pattaya, Thailand. I skal share with you how you can make the money work for you. The money work for me every day. For people who know me, they have seen before, but today I skal a very special presentation, a very short but special presentation. So hello. So here we are. I'm very exciting, for it happened very much. I go directly to the screen sharing. We go share the screen. So here in the menu, you will find everything, guys. Everything. In the menu, I go to document, or this you see here. We have in all language, every language. So here a lot of information. But now we click English. If you are from another country, you will find new language. Here Thai too. Okay. So what are Qubit Life? So pay you every month about 20% for your money. So if you have $1,000, they give you $200 every single month. Actually about $21 US. Hold fast, guys. So if you have $10,000, $2,100 US every single month. This company is very strong. What are behind this company? Greg Lemon, CEO in Qubit Life. 3 successful IPO, over 90 countries, 150 conferences all the world. Personally, him has raised more than $300 US. 300 million US dollar, guys. 300 million US dollar in the blockchain project. But the blockchain, we all know, this is the future time. Him have more than 20 ICO or CEO funder from the Canadian investment bank Digital Max. Greg Lemon actually from Moscow, but stay in Canada. So the Canadian investment bank, Digital Bank. The blockchain is the future for people who know Bitcoin and Ethereum. So they happen very much. And what them do here in Qubit Life, do not do no more and you deposit, let's say $1,000, you deposit $10,000, they give you about 20% for the money. But they have many options in Qubit Life. So I shared before, I show you what I do when I take out money or different things. Qubit Life, they have office now in more than 55 countries. They will have office more than 100 countries. They use the quantum technology. What are quantum technology? They're the fastest computer so they have to in the world. The new technology, so do at the computer go more fast, or this they use in the blockchain, they use in the trade, they have trade robots, so they use the tools, so do not do nothing, the company do it for us. So amazing. We have office in Thailand too. Our team, strong team, you have Greg Lemon, Mark Switch, him stay in Thailand from America, I shall come more info him. But all this in the team is very strong. You can read about everything self after you are registered for free. Mark Switzer, CEO for more than 25 years in international investment banking. Hold fast, guys. This man, he know exactly what to do in the business. Him have raised more than 50 million euro in Asia for startup AAA robot trading, so the software. So when they trading, they take very many trade for 1 day. So the profit is very small, but at the end of the day, you have about 0.70%. So in the month, is trading 7 days in the week, 24/7, or they have traded all the words. So they give us about 21% every month. You can look here from 2014, 1.9 billion in satellite, oil or gas pipe industry. I know they have used him one of the biggest oil company before. This man, he can work whatever he want. Him very attractive in the finance market. When he works some CEO for Qubit Life, he can see a big future here. From 2009, in the Helgna Fund, in the family office, 500 million US dollar. Him have success from him finishing the school. or long expertise, 25 years in investment banking. We're growing very fast. In 2023, they have this, they can from before, the digital bank finish. The future is digital. And everything they have to do in goals in 2021, match of this you can read here is complete. We are past 300,000 members, or we are in the end of this year, we will pass 1 million new members all the world. We are an all the world business, guys. We have more than 10,000 people have rank 3. I am a rank self of 5, nearly 6. We have 100 million, $100 millionaires will be in 2021. Or we have more than 1,000, so have income for more than 100,000 US dollars. I have passed there in only 3 months, guys. They're so easy. You know, people understand this, why you have money in the bank, or you can have 20% for the month. Let Qubit Life trade for you. I am trader self before trading for about $10,000, trading for $50 to $100 every trade. But you must sit with the computer every day. So the same here, they use about 0.5%, also 0.50 for a percent of what they have in the portfolio. Sometimes they have up to 1.5%. So there's not a high risk. Everything is safe. I see this very safe. So here you can read more self. If not, the presentation will be very long. Office. No, we have passed 70,000 new members every month. Or we have passed 400,000 members, guys. Here what Qubit Life have. I will speak a little bit about the education license, cashback license, travel, credit card, home. Here they give you very discount for the home. Trading robot, if you want to use. Many people have tested this out. This works very, very well. You cannot find better in the market. Or the comps so much. They have trading signal for people who want trading self. You can let Qubit Life do everything. You only deposit money, take out, same as you do in a NetBank. Can you use NetBank? Can you use this? BitCamp. They have ecosystem. They have QChain, already buy for in the blockchain. You see digital bank in 2023. So we put right place to the right time. Education, very, very well. They have camp, base camp around the world. If you go to the base camp, you will understand what you are part of, or your income will go 5 times. The coin, QChain, we go very fast. Hold fast, guys. Hold fast. 1 million transaction in per second. 100 million transaction in per second, guys. This have they use the quantum technology. They're very, very fast. Not coin to the market have so can go so fast. Here you can read about QChain. We have travel. This is special travel. It's very luxurious travel. My guide, very high program. You can use if you want. They have lottery. I skal show you. I skal buy in part as investment in lottery. Pitch camp. They go in or investment in companies so they believe can raise in the future. So here very, very much under this Lambda, so you see before here. The difference license, education, is in trading contract. We call it for education license. If you have $1,000, the trading to the give you back 2,005. That's 250%. You have about 20% per month. You can take out every time you have $50. I can come back. Corporate license, you can buy car, home, travel, or more and more. Cashback, you pay a BIN. I can tell it more about this. Trading robot, API, you can use if you have a license. So you see here, and silver license only $1,000. You can use the robot for free, but you must deposit money or use in Binance or Bitfinex. You can start for only $100, guys. If you have $100, you have about $21 per month. If you have 500, you have everything. $1,000, you have about $210 per month. If you have 10,000, 2,001 per month. If you have $100,000, you have about $21,000 every month. They give you back limit 250%, your contract finish. You can buy so many you want. I buy next every day. Robot for free if you have the silver contract for 1,000. So this I do when I start with this, så har jeg upgrade, så I am på gold. 250% back, the contract finish. So 1,000 bit to 2,005, 10,000 bit to 25,000, 100 bit to 250,000. Pay every day. Minimum for start is only $100. Every can start by $100. Have more in the bank, so push in deposit, guys. 21% per month. Pay every day if you have $50. I have more than $50 every day. About 70 for the gold, only from the gold essence. But I have a little triple essence can come back. So I have more than $100 every day. Only from the trading. Corporal essence start from $30 to $70. For home, they give you discount for $70. You must only have an education license for $10,000 as a gold member. Or they will give you back after 5 months, 70% discount. As you come more back for this. The car, 60% discount for only 4 months. You must only have an education license for $5,000. So this is an silver plus. So you see there, and silver plus. Okay. Every this thing you find. It's going to show you what you find this. So cashback. So we go back the trading robot you can use in the Bitfinex or Binance. Deposit about from 500. The best if you have about $3,000. So the robot will work very good. You have the binary bonus, matching bonus, direct bonus, rank bonus, quick start. The direct bonus is very, very amazing. Every time people buy contract, you have commission. And you have not only first time you start them, and you have in the first 15 days, you start 4 people. Let's say here, example 1, you start 1 for 1,000, 5, 10, 5, they give you free 1,000. So you have 15 days. Example 2, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, they give you free 5,000. So one of the smallest are the 4 they give you for free. So this is so amazing. Many people taking 25,000, 25, 25, 25, they have 25,000 free. I have listened people so have 50,000, 50, 50, 50, have $50,000 for free. I have people in downline so have for free $10,000. In my downline now I passed 8,000 people. We have worked active about 3 months. So I'm Gold Plus. For the average I start for my first line, I have 7%. Every time they buy contract, many people buy 2 or 3 contracts for days. Their friend to them, as a line 2, I have 3%, or line 3, I have 1%. So I will quickly up to the platinum. I will have 1% more here. This be match. I will 1% very much here, or here I will have very much, or here I have a lot of people. So hold fast, guys. If we work, share with Annen, why do not help people to make money? It's very good. Not people so lose, make we all money. We not buy no product or thing. We only let the money stay here, or do you have money work for you? I am rank 5. So they give you rank 1, rank. I have people in my downline, they have rank 8 or rank 7 already. So they're not people who start first, they're people who do some things. I have do much when the corona has stopped, so we cannot go so much out. It's a little bad when we online match, or we have small meeting in my apartment here in Thailand. Okay, rank 5, 7. So you see here, next rank, I have 1 more, I'm for rank 6. So very soon I'm for rank 6. We have the telephone as a quantum phone. There's not SIM card, you cannot hack this. Very safe or very fast. Education, the trading signal. This is a little bit of all-time product, guys. So much charity. So the future is bright. The future is so bright, guys. Let's go to my page here. So we can see the presentation, når du registrerer for free, the link behind the video, so under the video. So you will find document. Here you have the presentation. You can read about everything here. Now I go to my main site, main panel. Some people say back office, click here. Now see, oh, they come in, $1,200 US dollar. No, I want to do a little difference today. I go here, we have program here, I not have buy. This, I want buy one here. I have this, the visual code. This you can read, you can, they go up. This only here, only 5,890 again. Here, let's see if I can buy here. One. Yes, guys, the higher buy. And the next, I want upgrade and education license. You see it bronze. If you have gold plus, give you back 62,000. Every percent is the same. If you have this 10%, 20% per month, give you back 250. You have this the same, $21 per month. Every time you have 50, can you take out? I skal take you to the process. And here I want my first contract. I buy 30 October, $1,000 for I have the robot. So they give me back 1,002, 120%, 129 again. So if you go to, you have 2,500 back. I go here, this is 500. The computer will have full control, so I upgrade this to pay 400 US dollar. This will be silver. So I take them step by step now. Got in silver. You see that they 1,000, and I have paid 500 from before. So I upgrade now. They will go out from my wallet. Upgrade, only $500. So easy. Upgrade. So every people can do it. So we go here. Let's go this be new silver here today. Take down here. Yes, this all. Okay, that is in silver. Oh, I can buy one more. Upgrade one more. I will do. The money work for you. Why not have this in the bank? Not give me nothing. Can you see 500 here in some place? I cannot think I have 500 someplace here. 100, 110,000. I have maybe upgrade every have of 500. See some out. This I do. I upgrade this from 100 to 500. So take this to be bronze plus. It's 500, will go out 400 from my wallet. So I only click here, upgrade. So there we are. Okay, good. So you can see here, now I might upgrade again. So I upgrade, I'll use $1,000 total for upgrade from 400 or $400. So from 500, so I use only $800. Now I have $15,400 in my contract. So here I have 15 license, 15,400 to start to work here. It's amazing, guys. 20%, 21% per month. So I think tomorrow I can buy new again. So yes, I should buy holiday contract. That can I do tomorrow, and I will do today. what are in corporate license. Let's go buy this here. Corporate license. We go here. Let's go buy this. Travel. This I do after. Buy. There. This can you buy from 500. You can buy from 1,000. They give you back 2,000. This is amazing, guys. It's so amazing. You buy here 1,000, they give you back 2,000. This after only, 2 months. Let us go ahead to the main panel. Sorry, I did photo. Okay. Go here. Travel 50%. So this is very, very amazing. So guys, cashback. They pay you bin $1,000 US. They give you back $200 per month. You only show the bin, take picture, send in 1 time per month. You can have 10,000. They give you back 2,000. You can have 100,000 if you're a company. So they give you back $20,000 every month. They start some, if you start whatever you started. So the first month they give you 5% or $1,050. Second month, 10%, say $100. Third month, 150, say 15%. Or from 4 months, they pay you 20% every month. So this contract not run out. So you can stop this contract, take out the money whatever time you want. And with this, everything stop up. So this year good, you pay $2,000 if you have a payment for home, apartment, car, whatever. So you save day for day. Yesterday, very good. Day before, lit down, but the Bitcoin market or the currency market was very difficult. I am trader self, so I follow the market. I trading a little bit every day. Before I trading all day. Now I have a Cupid Life, do it for us. This is perfect. So I not need trading. I not need to log in to the website. Here on my cashback contract. They give me $500 every month, so I can pay in electric or food or whatever. So I have 300 there. I have maybe not here. Everything I pay out. So I must deposit money into. So I can buy an corporate license today. I will buy an holiday license. This one, not alone. From $1,000. Okay, so I'm on deposit it. So I can buy this to $1,000, and they will give me back $2,000. So it's so amazing. It's so amazing, this company, guys. It's this we have buy. I have one there. No, I have not buy. I will one here. I know. Done, guys. Are this complete? And the second, if it's got take out money, if it's got deposit, click here. So $100, $10,000. You can, that's a $100. You go here, deposit. Come on. You can use Bitcoin and you can use Ethereum. Many people know you will start to use Ethereum. The process is the same. Here, if it's got $100, you copy this, bring in your wallet. There can be Coinbase, Virix, what to use. You copy this, leave in. They will see that, okay, this is $100. Yes, Cupid Life have control how much you skal pay them if you will deposit $100. Copy to this. Bring in post in your wallet. The last I do, I copy the transaction number. It's a little important too. After I click send from my wallet, I click here in the Qubit Life. I have pay. I go couple over back to my back office. After that time, I check if the money come in, or the money will come here. You can go buy your packet. What packet you want. Not worry about to pay less. If you pay less, you can take new, so you have no fear. Let's say I could buy brunch for $500, so must they have $200 more. Go ahead for deposit, transfer in. After the $500 here, I can buy. Here, actually, I cannot upgrade to 500 for this 100. So if I have 400, I can upgrade. But now I can buy holiday the cents. So I'm on deposit, or they take up to 1 hour normal. Can take it more time. Take out money. If I can take out the 307, I not do it, but I only show you. Here, I have a lot of Bitcoin wallet. This from the bring in here, it's gonna take 3 days for that they can for they will be in your system. I can show you after what to do. Okay, here for take out, you can have 3 choice, 72 over, 48 over, about can take 50 or 55 over. This can take 1 week. And here about 48 over. So they can go a couple of hours over, and maybe 12 over, whatever it is. And about normal 48 over. So you know this. After you click here, wire transfer. Here, there's only my high security. Do not need this if you not want, but I have this. If you do not set this security, you will not see this box. So we go back again. I'll tell this way. The last, what to do from make your Bitcoin address in is an important thing. Go to my main panel. So here, add wallet. Add wallet. So you go to the Coinbase, Virix, or what wallet you use. It can be Bitcoin, it can be Ethereum. I might go in here again. Okay. It's very high security. So I have make extra safe. Number 1. Here. Sorry. Take the time. This is so important is that you have a very good option, guys. Very good option. You make 30% of your money. So you have it contracts on SAI. So how do for me? I have more than 10 inclusive commission. I have about $15,000 per month. Here is gonna make the wallet address. We hope we not got. You can take Bitcoin and Ethereum. To go to your wallet. You type in your address here. I have max on this, my name or the wallet address after what you use. So how do you security? After you click there, it can take 3 days for you can show you up to 3-4 days for you can show your Bitcoin address. Or you must conform your email. Why they do this way? This for that the high security is very important. It's very important that you not lose your money. So Qubit Life. It's very safe. Training for you. 7/24. So 7 day, 24 hours. At the end of the day, you have good resource. Company is strong. You will see the owner or the CEO back the company. If you click here, you come to match information. You are here. You are there. So spend time. Register for free. Under the video, behind the video, you will find match, or here you will find FAQ. You can read from A to O. So I think I shall go or deposit the money. So I will buy my my contract, my holiday contract. So I say goodbye from Pattaya. Have a nice day, guys. So see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.